Well, hello there everybody. Welcome to my kitchen, the room where I create food that is always a crowd pleaser. Now today, I'm making one of my wife's favorites. It's teriyaki glazed salmon. And we're serving that with some glorious broccoli and some delicious McCain crispy sweet potato fries. And we're making all of this in the Philips air fryer. First things first, let's make our teriyaki marinade. Half a cup of soy, a quarter cup of water, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and then half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Take out all the lumps, and now we go in with a teaspoon of minced garlic, as well as some ginger. Don't grate your finger. Give it one more whisk. And now we're gonna add in our fish into this marinade and let it sit in here for a good 10 minutes. Let it soak up all that flavor. All right, while our fish is marinating, let's make some delicious sweet potato fries. I actually just want to talk a little bit about frozen vegetables real quick before we get cooking them. Are they fresh? Yes, they are frozen at their freshest, meaning they are carrying maximum nutrition. Sweet potato fries, these are gluten-free. They're a great natural source of fiber, so you definitely want to put these into your diet. This is one of the things that you gotta love about the air fryer, is you don't need to use as much oil as normal. All right, now cooking these chips in the air fryer, 180, 12 minutes, and you'll get beautifully crispy potato chips. But I'm using the Philips Smart Sensing XXL air fryer. This thing is the bomb.com. XXL, meaning it's bigger, so it's great for a family. And then the Smart Sensing technology, it is ridiculous. It's probably my favorite function of all. You've got these different emoticons here, frozen chips, normal chips, fish, chicken, and whole chicken. You can program the actual weight of the chicken. And then what it does, and take this, is it cooks it perfectly every single time with you just pressing one button. So you don't have to place the temperature, you don't have to place the time. It kind of uses its own brain to work it out for you. So we're using frozen chips, bombs away. All right, so the air fryer is now telling us to shake the fries. Now at this moment, we're gonna add in our broccoli. All right, we've added our broccoli. Now we're gonna let the Smart Sensing technology do its thing. Let it adapt. There, it was on 7, now it's already on 10. The other thing that I really dig about McCain products and frozen vegetables is the wastage, right? So now I just close this up and I pop it into my freezer. I hate wasting. This really helps. Boom, let's check it out. Oh, look at all that happiness. And now we're gonna get our fish in there. Skin side down. Right, we're gonna pop this in at 200 degrees and we're gonna do that for 8 minutes. Let's go. In the meantime, we're actually gonna take all of this goodness that's in this marinade and we're gonna pop this into a little saucepan and reduce it to make it a delicious glaze. All right. You know, one thing about cooking in the Philips air fryer is that you feel like you haven't really done much, but you get all the results. Oh my gosh. Guys, wow. And perfect crispy skin. Fish is flaky. This is happiness. All right, let's plate it up. These are delicious. They're the rosemary and garlic ones. The bomb. Teriyaki glaze. Add some of these delicious toasted sesame seeds. A bit of fresh chili. Voila, my homies. A dish that is definitely going to be a crowd pleaser without a doubt. Teriyaki glazed salmon, delicious broccoli, and those killer sweet potato fries. Love from me to you. Peace.